Welcome traders, this is José Davila. We are now back one more day on live trading. Today we'll be trading Nasdaq and gold. Um, Gold is making a move up, so today we are only buying. The momentum is bearish, oversold, it's already oversold, so we have clear conditions to buy at least to the next fib retracement. Nasdaq is doing a very similar move now, uh, but the momentum of Nasdaq, the higher time frame momentum Nasdaq, is not overbought. What means? It means that maybe in a few hours, in the next few candles, price may move down again. So we must be very careful not buying uh, with a very far target. So this is what we are going to observe today. I received a comment, um, I received a comment about a guy that is liking the Elliott wave analysis. Elliott wave analysis, in the deepest thinking mode, Elliott wave analysis is very easy. You don't have to be a PhD. You don't have to be a doctor to understand Elliott wave analysis. Truly, you don't even have to know all the ways, all the complexities. You have to understand what the price is doing, and you have to trade accordingly to what it can make. So, on gold, for example, on gold, as we are seeing, gold is gold is working on a channel. Uh, you don't need to know if this is a complex ABC and XYZ. You don't have to. You don't have to know this. What you must identify is, oh, okay, it's a correction, so price must price may not go very far. Price may overlap. So there's a guideline for corrections that is the overlap guideline. What it means, candles will be overlapping. Uh, the Sometimes it's a very choppy market, but it's okay. You, there's no need to be fearful. There's no need to be, oh, what can we do now? It's just fine. We just sit and relax and trade what the market gives us. Okay, so now we're seeing Nasdaq in a big big push upwards, and we know this is a correction. Okay, so let's let's point it here and here. We know it's a correction. So what we must do is a fib retracement and 50%. If it's not a even if it's the 50% is not a Fibonacci number, it works very well. And if Elliott used it, there's no reason for us not to use it. 50%. Elliott uses, all Brooks, the price action father, uses, so we will be using it too. Can we already think about reversions? Not yet. Not yet. One, two, three, four, five. It's just the first wave. It's just the first wave of the correction. It's already OB. Now it's again a big move upwards, a big push. I would like to see a I would like to see it pushing through the 61.8 and then to reverse. So how can we identify the ending level of this correction? With Fibonacci. Always with Fibonacci. And it is here. So I'm gonna draw a box. Fill it. And this is where we will be looking for a reversal. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, it's important. You know that. I'm gonna see gold again. To be a very good move. So what can we do now? We will be waiting for the next bullish reversal and buy gold on the next bullish reversal right here, right here. Trading is not hard. The waiting is hard. Don't need to rush. Don't need to feel FOMO. There is no FOMO. Price is not reversing now on Nasdaq. I'm gonna just watching, just watching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a basic guideline on Elliott waves that is the fourth wave may not enter on the first wave zone. There is an adaptation from Mr. Robert Miner that when he says price, the fourth wave may not close inside the the first wave zone. So price is very near. Not yet, we don't need to rush, but we are start we're going to start to position our orders. A very big push up on gold. A very good move, I would say. So this fib we don't need it. We are now going to see this. How price will move when he touches these fib retracements. We're gonna fucking sell this Nasdaq. So candle is not complete yet, but gold is making some shooting star pattern. It's okay. Don't need to rush. What I would like is some clear pattern to buy gold. I mean, there's no there's no way to buy gold when he's already moving up. So we must wait for a pullback to buy. So I'm gonna must wait for a pullback to buy. Pullbacks to buy. Near reversion zone. Gonna do this. Okay. So we already have our reversion zone. This is where we're gonna try to sell Nasdaq. I would like I would like to know if there's news today. Gonna check this calendar. Just loading. And today, no big news, no news events other than the war. Let's wait to see if it touches the fib line. One more push, and gold and Nasdaq will be touching apparently at the same time. The difference is that Nasdaq may do a bigger movement, and for the gold, it's only a small correction, which we will use to buy. And here is our touch. Some traders would already have entered these operations, but they really don't know where the stop is. So there is no way to enter on a trade if we don't know where to position our stop level. Gold is very wild. Gold is being very wild today. Just want to see how it's moving. And we may have a very good sell on Nasdaq. When a five wave ends, it must retrace the five waves. So we don't we won't place a target near. We will place a target some maybe somewhere over here. I'm gonna be very I'm gonna be observing very close this market. And report. Okay. So we can all already place an order below this level. Below this level. I'm gonna write it. Sell stop order. And as the price moves up, we keep we keep pushing up our sell stop order until it's filled. A very strong candle, a very strong movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's fine. It's fine. hmm Like this. Still have more than 2 minutes until the candle close. So hmm, news looks like news event. a strong breakup from the fib retracement. Not so strong. But it's time for us to see if we are right, and we look right. We look right. I'm gonna draw it as an ABC, which is more precise with what we are seeing. Already pushing this, already pushing this. Hmm. You can already place the state stop loss. And I'm gonna use this arrow to what's the minimum? This is what we're waiting. This is what we were waiting the whole morning, and it looks like it's going to reverse. Gold is doing a very nice reversal. we will be seeing the maybe the two towers pattern. It was the ADP. ADP at 9:30. I don't know. Gonna check this calendar again. For those of you who are for those of you who hasn't have not capital enough capital to trade, I always recommend for you to trade with a prop firm like FTMO, where you can trade up to 200K. Mm, order is in field. Order is in field. So we will be moving up moving up our oh there's plenty of time for it to reach, but gold is moving, making a nice push down. Okay, there you go. There you go. We keep we keep moving our order close to the price, low to 687, closer to the price until it's reached, until it started. This is how professional traders do. This is how all of you should be doing. Nasdaq's moving down, and we will see if our order will be filled now or if we still have to push up buys, our sell stop order. It looks like it's going to be filled. Price getting close. This could be useful for us. Okay, here's the price. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Still pushing up our order. And for those who could do this at a time, we are now. So sell it. Sell now. Sell. Sell is already active. So 24691, 24691. Already sold. I'm gonna draw a line here to 691. Here it is. This is our trade. This is our Nasdaq trade. Mm-hmm. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, okay, just wait. We are on a negative rate right now, but it's just fine, just fine. No need to be fearful. And if we stop, which may happen, we will just be looking for the next fib retracement. Could we be wrong? No. It was a nice entry. Looks like it doesn't have so much strength to go down. And here it comes. Okay, new low has just been made. Gonna, oops, no need for this anymore. No need for this right now. You must remember New York session isn't open yet. One maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes for the New York session to open. So market is going to be sideways. Should we close our trade? No, we shouldn't. Uh, Trade is okay. Maybe price is going to be sideways and then down. Market's hard when we are expecting a sharp move and it doesn't happen. At least we have not been stopped until now. And one, two, three. There's a here's our buy on gold. Should we have already bought gold? No, no, not yet. You must wait for a momentum lower time frame reversion on gold to buy. But here's our opportunity. Here's what we were waiting to happen. A one, a two, a three, a four, and a five. hmm We are positive. Four, six, nine, one. Here it comes. Mhm. So We are looking for buys on gold. Looking for buys on gold. And this is our Nasdaq trading running on the break even level. Mm, I don't like when price goes. I don't like stops. Mm, neither do you. I know. I know. Ah, you can see. Mm, just waiting, just waiting. We are probably going to be stopped. Or no. Or no. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments. Uh, here it is. We're stopped. We're stopped. It was really stopped. Just mark where what was the stop. Was in the 24/17. I'm gonna mark this 24/17. It's important for us to know. It's important. Where are all my where are all my draws? Okay, are you gonna wait for it to reach this? I'm gonna wait for it to reach this level. This is not relevant anymore. Okay, and gonna do this 735. Unfortunately, we still have to wait for it to for gold to reverse the momentum from bearish to bullish. The smaller time frame momentum. If anyone wants to do live with me, I'm always open for this. Right? 25 minutes to 25 minutes to New York session to open. Hmm. Could you buy gold in a such big in a such big candle? There's the ABC on gold. You see? And ABC and, and then another five-way push down on gold. So we really don't need to rush on our trades. Uh, the problem when people really don't know the market is that they always position their orders one tick above or one tick below. And it's okay, it's what the manual says, but there are some there are some issues with this. One of them, um, one of them, the spreads. The second, the second problem, the second issue with this, the leverage, the same leverage issue that makes wave four possible to enter on the first wave zone. The same leverage issue does this. Some you may see a candle one or two going going a few pips up or a few pips down, and then reverse. So this is a issue that even all Brooks have observed. He calls it a 5 point fail. I I I think that that was a 5 point fail. So price may go up or go down 5 points, 5 ticks, a few points, and then to reverse. And it's okay. Some when you when you are position orders buying stop, sell stop, you must take care of it. You go a little up or a little down. That's really not objective, but you could do it on your own. Just use the spread more 5 points. You have to compensate this leverage issue. So we are now seeing Uh, we're now seeing Nasdaq. We're now seeing Nasdaq near the fib retracement. One, two, three, four, and five. Five wave move. We may see a big reversal on Nasdaq just right now. It's it's near for us, very near. Okay, Nasdaq touched the fib retracement of 78.6. We must wait for a clear reverse sign on the stochastic. Uh, we we could be waiting for a nice candle reversal pattern uh, to enter our trades. This isn't really relevant, but it's something we could like. Mm, that English was very bad. Looks like pushing up, pushing up. Let's exhaust this price. Let's exhaust it. Could do a doji pattern. Just waiting, just waiting. Hmm. Trading is a lonely business. Hmm. Nice pattern reversal. Nice pattern. Let's go. Let's trade this. Let's wait for the candle to close. It's nicely. So stop order. Let's push the price again. Again, again, and again. This is our job. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Not worried. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Gold is still on the B wave. Momentum hasn't reversed yet. Sell stop. Stop loss. Stop loss. 5 points above. Yeah, I'm not use this stop loss. You know, you know where to place your stop loss. Mm, must be a zone. 0.75. 0.75. And I use this alarm to sign when our trade is still started. Adjust your stop loss order. Adjust your your position size. You must take care of your position size, not to trade bigger than you should. I personally use only 0.5% of my account size for each trade. So there's enough there's enough there's enough size to do some mistakes. For the for this kind of live, you already know that I don't really trade too much. I don't overtrade. I don't trade every opportunity. There's a there is a mental game. Trading is, I repeat again, again and again. Trading is not hard. The hard the hard is the weight. So you just have to do other things. You I drink a lot of coffee when I trade. So you must trade in a relaxed state of mind. In, you just you just watch the charts. You don't rush. You don't have to be adrenalized. You don't have to feel a lot of emotions, anxiety. Uh, when you do this kind of anxiety trading, we all know where where you will be in the next month. We all know. Again, adjusting and adjusting, and we still are not allowed to buy. So mm, this is an important piece of information. This level. 76.75. 76.75. 76. Always 0.75. Nasdaq. Nice. So if moment guys, we need to be very fast right now. Okay. So if you're trading with me, I want you to be very close to the market because New York sessions almost opening less than 10 minutes for the New York session to open. And we may see a big spike on prices. That's an opening in the forex market. People like to trade the market opening. I'm gonna use this transcription. I know you like it. So less than 3 minutes, we are going to sell it. Let's start by position your orders in the minimum, in the lower of the candle. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. And I'm gonna even draw a trend line on gold. That should be broke. But on gold, we're only buying on gold. I would really like to do a trade on gold with you, but there's there wasn't a clear trade for my rules. Maybe today is the day. So we're already setting our our stop loss levels. High 24,778, 24,778, 25, 24, 7,778.35. Okay, and we are going to less than no. One minute left. Already on the minimum. 24, 7, 6, 8. Just fine, just fine. Not just fine. I don't really. Okay, okay. This is how we trade. This is how we manage our position. This is how we wait to trade. Okay, there it goes. Gold trend line is breaking down. It looks like it's breaking down. You already know. 3 minutes left for New York session to open. If the alarm sounds, order is filled. We hope this fills now. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Not yet, not yet. But well, we may already be. Hmm. Okay, it will reach. Hmm. It is reached. Hmm. There it is. We are sell. If we take another stop today, I'm gonna be very very sad. No way, no way it's going to stop us. No way, no way. 83, 4, 5. No way, no way, no way. Okay, just have to stop. Mm. Ah, damn, 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 damn. Whoa, 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 whoa! What candle is this? What, what the fuck is going on? What the? No fucking way. No, 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 no. Forex market does did not. Well, down. No, no. Goodbye. Here at the level of 24. Dude, 4 and the 5. Sometimes market really fucks us. So our next step is to identify what market cannot do. If this is not an ABC, then clearly, okay, clearly this is. So price is going to work on this fib level. Aha. Again, another fib. Where is my extension? Fib level. Here and here. Where is the lower? Come. And here. And notice how we go and adapt our, not yet, not yet. We still have 3 minutes to position. This was, this was. Have still 3 minutes to trade. So market is in condition to reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see it? A1, A2, and 3. Oops. Can you see this? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So we're in condition to reverse. Stochastic could, if momentum goes bullish on the 5 minutes, we stop we stop trading. Stop trading? No, we stop looking for a sell for a sell in Nasdaq while stochastic is bullish on the 5 minute chart. Okay, we're, we're not fucking stop trading. No way, no way we will stop trading. Never, never on my life. Just sitting and watching. This OBS translation isn't working. So I'm gonna take it off, okay? So you just need to wait to understand my voice or use YouTube subtitles. This is not working. You don't it doesn't understand what I speak. Okay? Momentum bullish. So for the next 5 minutes, just wait. We just wait for the next 5 minutes. So go to the bathroom, uh, prepare a new coffee, uh, use your Zine, whatever you want. 5 minutes. I'm gonna clear the charts, the indicator. I'm gonna clear the indicator for you. Yes. So now you can see the stochastic. I'm gonna be silent until the candle close. When we start looking for reversal patterns, we we can't unsee them. And that's a problem. We start to we start seeing reversal candle patterns everywhere, every candle. We start to feel FOMO. As I have said to you, I'm gonna wait for the momentum, for the Nasdaq momentum to go bearish, the smaller time frame momentum. Market is wild today. I don't know what's happening. I don't know if Trump is saying something, there's something happening, but mhm, momentum still not bearish, so we just sit and wait. Sit on your hands, as we say. Sit on your hands. Another really big candle. Another stop we have not taken. It's nice to trade like this too. Don't take stops when you don't need to. Let's check the calendar again. In 12 minutes we have news. We have news. 12 minutes from now. I have this 5 goes up. I don't know when it will end, but it's near to end. Price is channel. We can draw it. We can draw channel up. hmm Let's see. No, 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 no. A nice 5-way extension. 5-way extension. So we just wait for the momentum to go bearish again. Just remember, if you want to trade up to 200K, you can use my link for the FTMO. You can scan the QR code on the screen. Just remember to like the video. So YouTube can show it for more people. You can help other traders. It's on your hands. So 4 minutes to the candle to close, and we may already we may already think about position another sell on the Nasdaq. Gold is doing its thing. Since we're only buying, we are not going to enter a sell trade on gold. Okay, this is the fib. I'm gonna erase this line, and this is precisely what gold is doing and what it will do. So come now to watch the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, Nasdaq momentum is reversing back to bearish, so we may already start thinking about our stop loss. Where will be our stop loss? Where will be our entry point? So less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes to enter trades. We will see. Just remember, we have news 7 minutes from now. 6 minutes from now, we have news. Watch this fucking. Whoa! What? What gold is doing? Watch it. Watch gold. Euro dollar is making some very similar movements. Not so strong like gold. Okay, so we are stop loss. Stop loss. Here's our stop loss. Here will be our entry point. stop. Sell stop order. Okay, so we are already positioning our order where it will be. The low is 848. This is our order. Okay, 4848. So if the alarm sounds, order will be filled. If it doesn't, we keep pushing up our sell stop order. Here it comes, here it comes. Push down, push down. I'm gonna draw it so you may know. 848. The high. Here it is. Our order is filled. We are now sold on Nasdaq. Sell. If you haven't sold it, sell it now. It is a nice trade. We have a lot of space to work down this level of price, so this may be a very big trade. There are plenty of conditions to trade big. Let's check the higher time frame. This is still overbought. We're just only selling. Watch price going down of this fib retracement. So remembering the position. And where is our target? Where is our target? If this is an wave C complete, we could trade back here. We could trade back to this level. There's no need to, but at least at the B level, at least here is our target. I'm gonna draw it here for you to know. Target. How do we how do we define our target? There are events right now. News just have been released. It was pending home sales month over month and year over year. Raising. It's raising. So how do we define our target? We're not gonna erase it. We won't be using it anymore. Is our primary target is below this B level. No need to no need to guess. There will be a fig level over here. So this is our targets. Take profit. Take profit. So coming back here to the 1 hour chart for giving time for you to position your take profit level around 24,520. This is your profit level. A fucking nice trade. We are we are live trading today. Gold and Nasdaq, and we are on a great move. Great move. It's the sell we were waiting the whole morning, and it just has came, and we just got it. Mhm. Nicely going down. Price is nicely going down. So This will be a great trade. Again, again. Another candle down, down. We're expecting another black candle or red candle if you. Mm-hmm. Come. It is the movement we were waiting. It is. It has come. Just remember to scan the code for the FTMO prop firm. Open your account. You can trade up to 200K. Uh, there are two kinds of challenges. You can use the one-step challenge account where you do only one phase of the challenge, or you can choose for the most traditional kind of challenge, which is the two-step challenge account. The one step is very good for those of you who are on a rush to make money because you don't have to do a second phase challenge. You just do a one step. Even if with uh, a small risk management, you can pass those challenges in just a couple of days. You you don't need to wait for it to a month, 2 months. Day trading is nice when you know what you are doing, uh, and when you know what not to do. So, as you can see from my Nasdaq chart on the right side, today it is my third trade. I I took two stops until now, and I hope the only two stops. So risk management says my risk management says I shouldn't trade. I shouldn't take a fourth trade. So this this surely is my last trade from the day. Our we have a few more minutes for this transmission. Just a few more minutes more. 10 or 15 minutes. I'm from Brazil. In Brazil, it's near the lunch time, so I'm gonna lunch as you should. And the trade keeps running. No no need to close the trade. No need to adjust the stop levels. There are only two possible things to happen on a trade. It hits your stop loss level or it hits your take profit level. Only two things can happen when you open a trade. It When you know it, it clears your vision, right? It clears you from FOMO. It clears you from uh, fear and greed. You know what you want it to do and what you want it not to do. There is no third option. There is no, oh, I'm gonna, I don't know what it will happen when I open a trade. No, I know exactly what can happen. There are some slippage issues on near news like the NFP, the PO, the the near the Fed decision. But our trade is very nice. Take your time, learn your methods. Remembering I use Robert Miner's method. I trade using Elliott waves. I trade using Fibonacci. I trade using momentum. Many of you like naked trading, but I think the stochastic, the momentum indicator, is very clarifying, very useful. I'm gonna stop this live now. You already know where our profit level is. It's here around 24, 24.50, 24.5. Okay, this is our take profit level. So I'm gonna close the live right now. Thanks for those who have watched me so far. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like the videos. It will be on YouTube as soon as possible. And a real nice trade. A real nice trade. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be doing this live on the same hour. We It will be our routine for the next days until I see some if until I see if people are liking it or no, if uh, seeing some trading for you. I I hope you have enjoyed it. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you guys. Good trades.